Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, everyone. Your African boys here. We are back with another reaction with my brother Mohib from Sudan.
Perhaps Gabi from South Sudan.
So today we are going to check Bangladesh. This is Myanmar. It's called Burma also. Burma.
Okay, Burma.
Another name for Myanmar.
It's Burma.
It's gonna be like country comparison.
Yeah.
For me, I don't know anything. I never heard of country called Myanmar or Burma. Only when I came to India. Now only maybe I'm going to learn more about Myanmar. I don't know about you.
We're in the same page.
You have any information? Nothing, right?
No, we're in the same
Nothing.
page.
We don't know any single thing about Myanmar. So we are, at least for Bangladesh, we know little. We know more. I cannot say little more.
Yeah, we have a lot of
Information about Bangladesh.
About
Dhaka, the capital city. So we are going to check where it's going to be like kind of also knowledge video. So without wasting time, and if it is your first time here, show some love,
subscribe,
and let's go.
The neighboring countries of Bangladesh and Myanmar had a generally cordial relationship under the Burmese military junta, although the presence of over 270,000 Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh often served as a major irritant. However, Bangladesh has sought greater trade and road and rail networks with Myanmar to boost the economic relations between the two countries. This is another episode of Country Comparison. Myanmar versus Bangladesh.
Shiva from India.
From Pakistan. Government, letters, upload, anger, to
Naik
capital,
P down. Naik P down. Down.
45 million.
Instruction. 54 million much.
4.9 million. GDP 26 billion USD. GDP per capita. Imports 25 million USD. Oil. Wow, that is amazing. Manpower, Myanmar Army, tanks 595, air power 287, air.
We want to see back from India.
It's from Pakistan. Government, letters, upload, anger, to
Naik
capital,
P down. Naik P down. P down. Relation.
45 million.
Instruction. 54 million much.
4.9 million.
This was
million USD. BBT to country. Imports 25 million USD. Oil. Oil and gas. Wow, 38. Wow, that is amazing. Land power. Myanmar Army. Tanks 595. Air power 287. Aircraft 36. Naval power. We are close to each
What
other.
about the religion?
We are close to each other. The power. Airport 64. Railway.
He also have train.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Actually, I have no clue about this country. It's my first time to know that this country. by this
India,
name.
China.
Vietnam, Russia. Oil produce 11,000 ppm. 3,000.
Okay, guys. Yeah, something new today. We learn it.
Yeah.
So,
What's the capital of Myanmar?
Myanmar, PDP, something like that. The name is difficult to pronounce. PDP. Let's check again.
Let's check.
Yeah, something like that. Myanmar. Okay. What is the capital? Capital. Naik PD.
Naik Iwa.
Naik P.
Gawa.
Naik Pia Down. Naik Pia. Naik P. Naik P Down.
Now say it fast.
Naik P Down. Naik P Down.
Naik Pidao.
Naik P Down.
It's like Chinese name.
Naik P Down. Hello everyone.
I greet you.
Hi to Naik P Down people. Yeah, where are you watching from? From the city, capital city, or from where? Tell us also. We want to know like how many states do Myanmar do you guys have it, guys? At least now we know Naik P Down.
Yeah.
I hope I'm pronouncing well, and it's good to know that now they are good producer of oil and gas.
Yeah.
So
It's 11,000.
They have good
ppm.
production. Yeah.
11,000 ppm.
That's something great, They are similar like my country, South Sudan.
Yeah.
And now only I just completed my study in petroleum engineer. So I don't know if it's possible also, guys, to get job as African or foreigner.
Yeah.
Is it possible there to get job in your country?
Opportunity.
Because I don't know, guys. Just let me know how about the citizen, how possible, like is it easily for the citizen? Forget of me as a foreigner. Is it easy for the citizen to get job there in their own country? And how is the lifestyle like? How is the economic? Did we see anything about the economic? Yeah, the GDP. Yeah, the economic is not that bad.
High.
Yeah, actually, this country is not that bad. I can see.
Yeah.
And
Even the rank of the military.
Yeah, military
is high.
also.
I'm so surprised. I'm so shocked. It's like
They are
48.
kind of good also, like not that bad.
How we don't know about this country before?
Yeah, it's like the media doesn't talk about this
They
country,
will
right?
discover about this country.
Yeah, I don't know. What is this country known for? Can you guys tell us what is Myanmar famous for? What are they
What's
recognized
the location of
worldwide?
this country?
It's only in Asia.
South Asia.
Yeah, South Asia.
Because they got the
Yeah, good.
independence from British
From
India.
British India. Yeah, they I think they are also friendly to India, which is something
China,
amazing.
Russia.
Because India also is a production of crude oil is very less.
Yeah.
So I think this can be what they will be sharing with Myanmar, which is really something nice. And coming to our Bangladesh people, oh, we know much. We don't need to
Dhaka.
watch the video. Hello to Dhaka people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I greet you.
Salam alaikum to Bangladeshi people. Hope everyone is doing well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know so much. We know how good is the country, the economic is
How the GBT,
the GDP,
how the
and
capital, Dhaka,
how the capital, how the
Bangladesh,
city is fast developing, and
economic.
not like before. Bangladesh is now super, guys. So this is something.
Bangladesh are always
Yeah.
in the top.
Bangladesh now is in. Yeah, it's going well, guys. Wish you all the best, both Myanmar and Bangladesh. Love from Africa. Make sure to
Subscribe.
share more with us, and kindly subscribe to our channel, guys. Love you all.